Hello and welcome. Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to find out which WordPress theme a website is using. Step 1. Open the website in your web browser and ensure it's a WordPress site, as this method only works for WordPress-based websites. Step 2. Right-click anywhere on the web page, avoiding images and links, and select Inspect. This will open the page's source code. Step 3. In the source code, press Ctrl+F or Command+F on a Mac to open the search function. WP Content/Themes to find the theme name. Alternatively, you can manually search for this code. Step 4. Once you find the theme name, you'll see the name of the theme used on the website. To confirm, you can search for the theme name in the WordPress theme directory or Google it for more information. That's it. You now know how to quickly identify the WordPress theme of any website. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful.